UN raises $370 million for 2021 emergency fund. Government keen to fully facilitate traders for export promotion, says PM Pakistan. UN chief calls for working collectively to end corruption. European Union pledges to help residents of Gaza in getting access to coronavirus vaccine. In Indonesia, regional elections are being held today to elect their representatives. US expressed concern over heavy-handed measures against Muslims in France. WHO announces to launch a year-long global campaign to help people quit tobacco. Palestinian calls Israeli settlement activity blatant challenge to international will for peace.